This video is a look at 3 of my houseplants growing on moss poles. This is to give you an idea of how they look as they grow and help you decide whether it's something you might want to do with your houseplant. They look amazing as hanging plants, but they grow bigger leaves when given a pole or support to grow upwards like they do in their natural environment. So first up is my Enjoy, or here in Australia it's also called Snow Queen Pothos. It has white and green variegation. There's a light yellow tinge to some of the leaves, but the plant looks healthy, so I don't mind a bit of yellow here and there. It has several long vines that are growing outwards instead of upwards, so I want to tie them close to the pole with jute ties. Next is the Cebu Blue. The bluish leaves are more noticeable standing next to the green leaves. I got this plant as a single cutting. I propagated a lot of cuttings and planted them with a mother plant to create this look. There's also several long vines growing, and I just wrapped them around the pot at the bottom here to keep them safe until I get the time to tidy up. I will use the long vines to cover up the bare areas on the pole. And finally, this is my all green Monstera Adansonii. The leaves keep growing larger as the vines climb up the pole. I also need to tidy up the long vines, either tie them to the pole or prune them and propagate the cuttings in water. If you're interested in more pothos, check out my video on how you can identify 3 different varieties. The link is in the comment section below. So yeah, growing plants on moss poles is just another way to display houseplants. Keep an eye out for my next video, and I'm sharing tips on how I grow my houseplants on moss poles.